Today, I'd like to introduce you to Answer United's Absentee Management Solutions. For more than 60 years, Answer United has helped organizations across North America streamline communications, improve operations, and better manage workforce attendance. As a nationwide provider of answering and call center services, we have proudly earned the Award of Excellence for more than 20 consecutive years. Our absentee solutions are designed to reduce the absentee reporting administrative burden, improve employee call-off communication, and provide immediate visibility into attendance activity. Best of all, there's no long-term contracts, and pricing is typically around a couple of dollars per reported absence, depending on the solution selected. We offer 4 flexible absentee reporting options to fit the needs of any workforce. No matter which option you choose, the process is simple. Employees report their absence using your dedicated call-off number or digital reporting channel. Our system captures all required details based on your company's attendance policies, and managers, supervisors, or scheduling teams are then notified instantly via text, email, or both. Our live call-off solution connects employees with a professionally trained agent who captures all necessary absence information and immediately notifies the appropriate personnel. Our automated call-off solution uses a customized IVR system, allowing employees to quickly and efficiently report absences at any time. Our AI call-off solution provides a modern conversational experience using natural language technology to collect absence details intelligently while maintaining seamless employee experience. And lastly, our web and text call-off solutions allow employees to report absences digitally through a secure online portal or SMS messaging. Our text broadcast feature allows your organization to instantly send coordinated SMS notifications to departments, shifts, or your entire workforce. Whether communicating weather closures, schedule changes, or urgent updates, everyone receives critical information at the same time. To encourage employee adoption, we also provide custom pocket cards. They feature your dedicated absentee hotline and reporting instructions, making it easy for employees to follow the proper call-off process. All absence activity is securely documented and accessible through AU Insight, our powerful online reporting platform. You can review call recordings, access detailed absence reports, and analyze attendance trends in real time. Answer United's absentee solutions deliver reliability, consistency, and scalability for organizations of all sizes. We help supervisors stay focused and improve documentation accuracy. We would welcome the opportunity to add your organization to our growing list of absentee management clients. To learn more, contact Answer United at 800-937-5900 anytime, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We look forward to speaking with you.